Music starts with a sense of wonder mixed with quick satisfying camera shutter sounds and clips of stunning travel footage. What's the one mistake every traveler makes? Believing their smartphone is enough. Music dips, voice becomes more direct and confidential. I've just returned from a global test, from Tokyo's neon streets to the Icelandic glaciers, with backpacks full of gear, and what I discovered will change how you capture memories forever. Today LM revealing the 5 champions. One is a shockingly cheap hidden gem, another is a vlogging powerhouse that defies physics, and one nearly didn't make the list because of a single deal-breaking flaw. We're going beyond the specs to the real stories these cameras wrote. Starting at number 1. Fujifilm X100VI. You won't find a better small camera for vacation photos. The Fuji X100VI turns heads with its retro chic style and delivers the goods with a large APS-C image sensor and a 35mm f/2 prime lens. Additionally, it's easy to achieve good results thanks to Fuji's impressive set of film simulation color profiles. The camera also features dust and splash protection, complementing its sleek exterior, making it the perfect camera to take on your next trip abroad or night out on the town. Photo pros on vacation. Pro photographers deserve time off, but that doesn't mean that vacation snapshots are out of the question. The X100VI is an ideal choice for working photogs and shutterbugs to use during downtime, while still capturing images that'll please discerning eyes. Travel photographers who go to exotic and esoteric locations to make images for travelogues or their own personal satisfaction will adore the X100VI. It is light enough to carry all day, weather sealed, and its picture quality is top-notch. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Action cameras are a wise choice for travel because they are small, tough, waterproof, and well-stabilized for handheld recording. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a winner on all fronts. It records clear footage at up to 4K 120 quality with 10-bit color, includes a flat profile for expert editors, and features dual front and rear touch screens, as well as external mic support to enhance the production quality of your vlogs and home movies. We also appreciate the battery life. The Osmo runs for hours on a single charge, and a charging case with room for 3 spare batteries is available as an accessory, allowing you to record all day if needed. Beachgoers, the Osmo is fully waterproof, so you can use it comfortably at the beach, on a snorkeling trip, or poolside. If your travel plans include the water, the Action 5 Pro is your best bet for video. Adventurers, if your travel plans include a hike through the woods to find an epic waterfall, kayaking, surfing, free climbing, or any other activity you want to capture for posterity, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is what you want to document it. It's easily mountable and supports voice commands, allowing you to use it hands-free as well. Number 3. Insta360 X5. The waterproof Insta360 X5 uses 2 lenses to capture a 360-degree view of everything surrounding the camera, including you, making it an excellent choice for self-recorded travel vlogs. You'll need to devote some time to editing video when you get home, but an app-based workflow makes it easy to zoom in and out of the spherical footage to guide your viewers through a scene. Time-lapse, photo, and single-lens modes round out the features. Travel vloggers, the X5's dual lenses capture everything around you, making it a fantastic choice for capturing the feel of a foreign city or the tranquility of a secluded spot. Creative options, such as hyperlapse, add some spice to your travel logs, and the Insta360 smartphone app lets you edit and share footage on the go. Beachgoers, you don't have to worry about getting the X5 wet. It works underwater to 49 feet, so you can use it to record ocean life when snorkeling or to show off your graceful diving board skills. Number 4. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 has taken the YouTube world by storm. It seems as if every travel vlogger uses one, and that's not by accident. The Pocket 3 features a gimbal-stabilized camera with a Type 1 sensor, allowing for video recording that surpasses what smartphones can offer. Additionally, it boasts powered pan and tilt movements, enhancing the professional look of your footage beyond what a handheld phone or camera alone can achieve. We also like its accessory library, which includes an extended life battery grip and wireless microphone kit. It's a small, versatile video camera. Travel vloggers, The Osmo Pocket 3 is among the most popular cameras for YouTube, and is especially useful for travel channels. It's small enough to take anywhere, and an integrated gimbal adds serious production value, while leaving you the flexibility to record handheld and move around. Number 5. Nikon Z50II. The Nikon Z50II is our editor's choice among mid-entry-level mirrorless cameras due to its balanced all-around performance. It's an especially good option for travelers who don't want to forego the creative freedom afforded by an interchangeable lens camera. The Z52 is small and lightweight, featuring smart autofocus with subject detection for people and animals, as well as a swing-out LCD, making it ideal for capturing vacation selfies. It sets itself apart from other entry models by including some dust and splash protection. The camera isn't as thoroughly sealed as pro Nikons, but it is better for outdoor use versus other affordable ILCs. Family vacationers, if you want to capture memorable photos of your kids' first trip to Disney or take stunning photos of landscapes and wildlife at a national park, you'll want a mirrorless camera, and the Z52 is the best entry-level model available. Travel photographers, if photography is the reason for your trip, the Z52 is a good pick among mirrorless options. It works with a full set of Z-series lenses, includes weather sealing, and its autofocus is quite good, too. Music returns upbeat and inspiring, so which of these 5 cameras is destined to tell your story? The decision is yours, but your adventure shouldn't wait. All the links to check prices, specs, and latest deals for every single camera we crown are waiting for you in the video description below. If this guide saved you hours of research, pay it back with a like, share this video with the friend you're planning your next trip with, and subscribe and hit the bell, because next week we're exposing the one travel camera accessory that's actually a complete waste of your money. Now get out there and shoot something unforgettable.